What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe to know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about the OnePlus 6, and the CEO of OnePlus, Peter Lau, came out and said that the OnePlus 6 will have a glass backing to it, so that's gonna kind of copy a lot of other current phones right now, such as the Samsung phones, the new iPhone 10, and the reason they're most likely doing this is for wireless charging, because the OnePlus 6 will have wireless charging. At least the rumor that came out said it will have that, so it makes perfect sense. But you also got to think, with the glass back, it's more fragile. You drop that, it's going to crack the front and the back possibly, whereas if it was just, aluminum or metal, it would not have done that. It might scratch it up. It's not going to get a big crack in it like glass will. So if you're into glass backing phones, you will be very excited about the OnePlus 6. And our last story of the day is about the Samsung Foldable phone that will be out later this year or early next year. And the latest report coming out of this Samsung device is that this phone will have 3 OLED displays, all 3.5 inches big. And it looks like, so when you open up the phone, it'll be 7 inches. So that'll be 2 3.5-inch displays when you open that up, equaling 7 inches. When you close it, you'll have a camera on the back, and then on the front, you'll have another 3.5-inch display that allows you to just interact with the phone in case you don't want to open up the phone completely. Now, from the report, it sounds like when it's closed, you can still use it full featured, meaning you can maybe go to a website, go to Facebook, whatever it may be. 3.5-inch display is tiny. Think original iPhone, that was a 3.5-inch display, which if you pick up one now, you're like, oh my God, this feels like a freaking toy. And then the iPhone 5 came out and that had a 4-inch display, and that felt, this is pretty good. And then, it's crazy how big phones are, and if you go back to some of those older phones, they feel tiny. So it'd be interesting to see how Samsung ends up doing this with a 3.5-inch display on the front, if you're gonna actually use that or not. I can see maybe interacting with your notifications, like doing things really quickly. I can't imagine I would be like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna keep it closed so I can watch YouTube videos and just use my phone to browse the internet and look at other things. I don't think I would do that. I just feel like I would use it for notification. So it'll be very interesting once this phone comes out, how people will interact with it. I think that'll be the most interesting thing compared to maybe even just how it looks. I think it's gonna be, obviously just how it looks and having it in your hand is gonna be one thing, but actually how you use it is gonna be another. So 7-inch when you open it up, 3.5 on the outside. Very interesting. Well, when more details about this phone do come out, I will let you guys know. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to new videos every single day. My question of the day is, for you guys, are you gonna get this foldable phone just based off what we know so far? It having a 7-inch display when you open it up, you close it up, you can still use that 3.5-inch display. Does that interest you at all? Or do you still like just the long candy bar type phones that we have out today? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you down the road. Peace!